So this is the engine completely disassembled. You can see the camshaft. Looks like there's a lot of wear on a couple of the lobes. Crankshaft isn't looking too bad, although there's a few wear marks there as well. The problem with all the free play on number 1 cylinder was the bearings had disintegrated. And I found all this material inside the case, which explains all the free play that I was getting. This is the one that was moving, and you can see there's a bit of wear on it. Hoping it might be salvageable with new bearings. Meanwhile, there's the rest of the engine. Cylinder heads, pistons, barrels, flywheel, clutch. Everything's been kept in order. It's all carefully numbered so it can all go back together the same way. I've put marks on that. That shows it's in position 2, which is actually number 1 cylinder on the right hand side. This is 1, 2, and so on. And that's it really.